Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is a continuation in our kicking segment. It's how to defend a low round kick followed by a spin kick. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day. Counter your opponent's round kick by taking the half step and scoop back. Draw up the leg bongarg to counter his spin kick. Exchange to avoid the low round kick. Draw up the knee bongarg for spin kick, lop and punch to finish.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.